Hi tradition lovers! Today I'm going to introduce Daelim Woodcraft's round tea tables. We have a lot of different sizes, but they're all so cute. It's like the perfect mixture of modern design and traditional Korean design. Also, one plus point, if you want to color it yourself, this is also an option. Because they're using the finest wood material, they're sturdy and they will last you forever. At one glance, you can understand how well made they are because they're made by a master with 40 years of experience. Originally, this design is used for tea tables, but because it's so lightweight and easy to carry around, you can take it to your lovely picnic dates.